Hello guys, hope you're doing really good today. I'm gonna explain you this activity. This is a really fun activity. So this is a ABC eggs. So first you need to color all the eggs. Use a lot of colors, but don't forget to use pencil colors, not markers, not crayons. So you're gonna start painting all the eggs. You can use two colors in each egg if you want. Then you color all the second page. Okay, and when you finish painting all of them, you're gonna start cutting them. First, you cut the eggs all around, and when you finish, you cut the egg by the zigzag line. Okay, so when you finish painting and cutting all the eggs, you're gonna have something like this. Okay, each egg is gonna be on the half. So you're gonna have a capital letter and a lowercase letter. What do you have to do next? You're gonna mix all the letters and the eggs, and then you're gonna find the uppercase with the lowercase. Uppercase A, lowercase a, uppercase K, lowercase k, uppercase J, lowercase j, uppercase G, lowercase g, uppercase L, lowercase l. Okay? And you're gonna match all the letters so you can put all of them together. Okay? So that's it for today and have a lot of fun. See you tomorrow.